Hi, I'm Bo with Karcher, and I'm here today to introduce you to the Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe with orbital cleaning technology. The Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb is a 20-inch scrubber that has a 10-gallon solution tank and a 10-gallon recovery tank. It can clean 18,000 square feet per hour. And best of all, it has orbital cleaning technology, so you can actually use this as part of your floor maintenance program to top scrub and recoat floors. Now, in this video, we're going to take a look at some of the unique features that make the Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb the ideal machine for your facility. Let's start by taking a look at a few features on our control panel. On any Karcher piece of equipment, when you see something in yellow, it's that way for a reason. It's not just decorative. The yellow touch points on a Karcher piece of equipment indicate an area where you have to train the operator so that they know how to operate the equipment safely and effectively. This makes training new operators for your Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb incredibly efficient and simple. The largest yellow touch point that we see on the Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb is the Easy Dial. Now, the Easy Dial controls the cleaning functions on the machine. So all the operator has to do, instead of messing with a bunch of knobs and buttons, is turn a dial to the function that they want to use. Additionally, the Easy Dial uses pictograms instead of words, so no matter what language an operator speaks, they can look at the mode and know what's going to happen based on the pictures. Now, if you look at the Easy Dial, there's actually one blue area. That's our eco-efficiency area. You see, at Karcher, we have a very deep commitment to sustainability and using resources wisely. So, virtually all of our equipment has undergone eco-efficiency testing. That's where we look for the area where you get the best clean with the least amount of resources. That's the eco-efficiency setting. On our Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb, it uses a little bit less water and a little bit less detergent to use those resources more effectively, and it lowers the vacuum motor to use your batteries more effectively, so you can run your machine longer between fill-ups and charging. Now, one other thing that people love about the Chariot 2 design is the fact that it has a 48-inch turn radius. So you can take your Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb into many places you can't even take large walk-behind scrubbers. The other thing that people really love is the hygienic tank on the Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb. By lifting the lid, I have complete access to the tank so that I can clean it out and make sure that all debris is removed. Additionally, as the tank sits, it's designed to slope back and down to the dump hose so that it empties completely. Another feature of the Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb is the fact that I can clamshell the recovery tank, and now I have complete access to the batteries. If I need even more access, or I want to do a thorough clean on my recovery tank, by simply removing a lanyard and removing the vacuum hose, I can lift the tank off of its mount and take it away for a more thorough cleaning. Another unique feature on the Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb is the squeegee, which pivots and rotates all the way around the deck so that even when you're making a tight 48-inch turn, you pick up water completely, even in the tightest of turns. Now, one of the most unique things about the Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe Orb is the orbital cleaning technology, which is completely different than rotary cleaning technology that you may be used to. You see, with rotary technology, the pad or brush rotates somewhere between 180 RPMs and 300 RPMs, depending on the machine. With orbital technology, the pad orbits at 1,725 orbits per minute, and it rotates at 80 RPM. So the big advantage for an orbital scrubber is it gives you a much more thorough cleaning action than any rotary scrubber ever could. Now, this makes it a versatile scrubber because you can use it not only for daily scrubbing, but also for top scrubbing and recoating. So you can use it as part of your overall maintenance program instead of just a daily scrubbing machine. So there you have it. You now know why the Chariot 2 iScrub 20 Deluxe with orbital cleaning technology is the right scrubber for your facility. Until next time, keep it clean.